Now in this lecture, we're going to be talk about how we can able to analyze the view or the plan view of an site in the AutoCAD software. Before we can proceed for drawing the sheet in the AutoCAD, we must know the basic dimension of the particular location. So as per the location has been concerned, so overall width of the location is 140 and the length of a location is 173 meter. So all the dimension it has been shown over here is in measure in terms of the meter. So one by one we'll going to be see first. So basically we'll have to make an rectangular type of an structure of 140 by 173. It is something angled at a distance it has been taken over here. Thereafter at each of this particular corner we have to leave the 2 meter of the distance and thereafter 1 meter of an distance. So basically here we have to leave the 2 meter and 1 meter, total 3 meter of the distance we have to leave, because whenever we are just plotting this particular diagram, so on the border side the construction people wants to go over there, so we can construct the road over there actually. So any kind of a person is just visualizing and doing the maintaining the solar power plant. So for moving the space purposes actually, or moving any kind of a car or any kind of a vehicle is passing from the border line of an solar power plant, so in that cases it is easy for us or easy for them also to just have the overview of the plan. So that is why all this site depends upon the site location and also the area availability of an site. We have to leave 2 to 3 meter of the distance from each of the contour of this particular diagram. So we just see this particular diagram how it is has been made, and simultaneously we're going to be just draw this particular diagram. So one by one we're going to open the AutoCAD software now. So when we open the AutoCAD drawing over here, so in that we're going to be start over here. So already we have set the limit over here, that limits we have set over here, that is 0 comma 0 and 200 comma 200. So this step we have seen over here, and now we take one line command. Either you can choose a line command from the draw button, rather you can have simply just type it over here line, and you will get the line command to be activated. And just we're going to draw the line over here. Make sure that you are activating the ortho button. Ortho button, why? Because we required the straight line over here. That is why we require to activate the ortho button. So once again we just press the F8 tab. That is a functional key F8 we have to press for activating the ortho button. So now here we'll give the overall width length is 140 as per the site measurement, and also we have to give the 173 to 176 as per the site plan. We're going to be just extend like this. So from this we just click on this particular button and make sure that this particular vertical length is inclined at an angle of 100 degree actually. So that is why we have to once again deactivate the functional key, that is an ortho button we have to deactivate, and further we're going to draw the line of 176 over here, 176, and further we press the tab button because we want to set the angle also. It is something inclined type of a shape the actual site is having. So we give the overall angle is the 100 over here and just enter. So like that we can just construct these two line. One is our 140, another is your 176 over here as per the regular dimensions. Now we're going to offset this particular line by a distance of 140 now. So instead of drawing the another line and once again measure this particular distance, so it is very easy for us to offset, use the offset of the tab. So we use the offset button now. Simply just strike the offset on the particular screen and click over enter. Set the offset distance of an 140 because we want to offset this vertical inclined line at a distance of 140. And now we select this line, and on this side we can able to offset this particular distance over here. So instead of, rather we can two way we can do this diagram. Either we can offset, we can just join this particular line, and further we can trim it. Rather we can simply measure and draw the particular diagrams over here. So like that we just join this. So this is a one method through the offset tab how we can able to draw it. Or second is what, simply we can just measure it. That is also been okay over here, but every time we have to set the angle then this second time. So this is a 176 and the 100 angle we are setting it. So this is also way to draw the particular inclined type of an rectangle, and we simply join this like this. So we are getting the rectangular structure of 140 by 176. Now each of the side we have to offset by 2 meter of an distance, because we have to leave the contour at a 2 meter of an distance, so any vehicle can able to pass from that particular point. So we use the offset command once again, OFF offset command we can use, and simply give an offset distance of an 2 meter. Click this surface and just move your cursor on downward direction and just click it over here. Similarly on this side, move your cursor and click over here. So like that, on the four side we'll have to do similar type of an structure like this. So whatever the extra lines are there, that will go into trim. So for trimming the extra line we can use the trim command. So TR double enter and just simply trim this particular line. So we are getting the proper amount of the contour plot over here. Similarly, the other line also will going to be trim it now, whatever the extra lines are coming over here. So this will going to trim like this. So we are getting the continuous offset of this particular tab. So on this line, a small line variation will be there. So we just extend this line on this position, and thereafter we use the trim command once again. So we trim the outside part, we trim the inner part also. Similarly, the last corner is remaining now. So we trim this particular part, and now our contour shape is ready. So we have taken the height, this particular width of 140 and this particular length of 176, and we have left the 2 meter of a distance, and thereafter we start plotting this particular diagram.